Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prashant Kulkarni, Consultant Cardiologist, Care Hospital, Hyderabad, India. Recently, we have published an article in Current Cardiology Review Journal entitled COVID-19 Pandemic and the Impact on the Cardiovascular Disease Patient Care. In this article, we have discussed COVID-19 pandemic, which has emerged as a serious global threat causing large number of fatalities and has put enormous strain on the healthcare resources across the world. The myocardial involvement in COVID-19 has been discussed, and this has been shown that it presents in various forms, resulting in myocarditis, increased thrombosis due to cytokine storm, leading to increased risk of acute coronary syndrome. COVID-19 pandemic can also mimic ST elevation MI, and this has been entitled as STEMI mimics, leading to ECG changes and elevation in troponin and also regional wall abnormality on 2D echo with normal coronary on coronary angiogram. COVID-19 has also impacted cardiovascular disease patient care, especially this was evident during the early phase of the pandemic where lockdowns were in place. During such time, the outpatient department services were largely unavailable to many patients across the world, and many patients had to opt for tele or video consultation as part of their outpatient department requirement. Also, the inpatient care also got impacted for the cardiovascular disease patient care, wherein many patients of STEMI, due to the fear of infection to the healthcare workers, such patients were thrombolized with thrombolytic agents for STEMI care, and subsequently when the RT-PCR and HRCT reports were available to rule out COVID-19, such patients were subsequently taken up for emergent coronary angiogram and if required intervention. And also the part of the COVID patient care, if any positive patient was found to require any cardiovascular intervention such as angioplasty or cardiac surgeries, during such time personal protection equipment and other protective gears were utilized for healthcare workers, and also negative pressure cardiac cath lab or cardiac OT were pressed into services to prevent infection to the patient. Also, certain drugs utilized, especially in the early part of the COVID-19 pandemic, such as antivirals like ribavirin, lopinavir, and hydroxychloroquine, may cause prolonged QT interval with risk of arrhythmia such as torsity pontis. This pandemic has taught many challenges to the healthcare workers, and hopefully we are better prepared to face future pandemics. Thank you.